We say no to guka, aiwata kubuka, amaloi wesuka, guka enda usadzoka. Hi guys, my name is Jacqueline Rumbi Tsaigadzira, aka Rumbi Black Pearl. I am a budding psychologist as well as an upcoming artist. I'm here at Silvester House as part of the program that has been put forward by CCJP and Silvester House on governance and entrepreneurship. I want to talk to you more about mental health. Basically, in my definition, mental health includes the psychosocial well-being of a human being. And my message to every individual out there is that mental health is real. Mental health is not a myth. I hope that the government gets this message and puts it across everyone that they should put more effort to their mental health the same way they put more effort in their physical health. Thank you.